Barker, and I play percussion. The percussionist will now be featured playing William Tell Overture. The overture comes from the last opera written by Gioacchino Rossini in 1829. The story of William Tell is famous because he shoots an apple using a bow and arrow off his son's head. The impressive feat saved his son from being thrown in the dungeon. The tune became well known in American pop culture as a theme music to The Lone Ranger.